Hello everybody! Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make a mind map. Because a mind map is just like how it sounds. It is a map to show your mind. It shows everybody what you are thinking about whenever you hear some word or something. So it's very important to write as neatly as you can and make sure you complete your sentences really well if you know how. All right? Now, don't be surprised if you're going to hear some little bit of sound because I have some helpers with me. And this little guy is here. Hi, Elias. And he's just around helping out. And sometimes Ayla might pop in. Don't be surprised, but just keep learning. Okay? Are you ready to start making a mind map? Here goes. All right, let's begin. So here behind me is the word art. I just wrote it with a marker. And in your own worksheet, you already have the word art and some bubble letters and bubble thoughts that you can write what you're thinking about. Okay? So, to make a mind map, first you need your word art. And whatever comes to your mind, whatever pops to your head, whenever you hear the word art, you're just going to write it down. For example, when thinking about art, I'm thinking about drawing. So I'm gonna write drawing in my mind map. Drawing pictures. Do you think about drawing pictures whenever you hear the word art? What else? When I think about art, when I hear the word art, I can also be thinking about lots of different colors. So you can also write lots of colors. Wow! Art can mean drawing pictures, and art can also mean lots of different colors. Very good. Do you also think about colors when you hear the word art? Nice. Next, when I hear the word art, I can also think about being unique. What does that mean, being unique? Being unique means being myself and being special. Doing something that nobody else is doing. Being unique. I think that whenever I have art or I make art, I can be unique and I can be myself. Do you feel the same way? So, in your worksheet about your mind map, you can start writing anything you want about the word art. There are 5 spaces in your worksheet. You can just write any or many different things about it. Fill it up as completely as you can. Try to do your spelling correctly, but if not, don't worry. We're gonna check it out tomorrow. All right? Have fun!